I'm Robin Dinsmore, and I'm glad you're watching September's edition of What's Up Georgetown for highlights of city news, programs, and events. The second annual Blazin Beer Crawl was a huge success. The event featured craft beer tastings from Central Texas breweries inside downtown retail stores and restaurants, which helped raise funds for the Main Street Facade and Sign Grant program. The Texas Society of Sculptors is back with their 13th annual sculpture exhibit in the Georgetown Library. Pieces are available to see until September 17th. City crews have been busy this summer improving sidewalks in the downtown square area and completing new roads to improve accessibility. Keith Hutchinson takes us on the road to visit the new Northwest Boulevard Bridge that has been completed.
How you doing today, Keith?
Good, good. Thanks for meeting me out here and
Yes,
talking
sir.
about this project. This is a big deal. Tell me a little bit about Northwest Boulevard project.
Well, this project started in 2019. It's basically a 4-lane bridge, 2 there, 2 back, to alleviate the traffic that's going on Williams Drive before they get started with the divergent diamond. It connects to the Rivery Boulevard, which comes northwest, comes across to Austin Avenue. The best thing about this is it's going to help with traffic. And plus, once they get started with the project, next to us on Williams Drive with TxDOT, which they've already begun that process, it's going to help with traffic flow off of Williams Drive.
Right.
This new bridge fulfills a key mobility goal for the city by providing a new east-west connection in the center of Georgetown. This bridge is the first new east-west connection over I-35 in decades and provides an alternative to Williams Drive.
We're pretty excited about it. I've been here since day one. I've watched this bridge go up. I watched bridge beams, all the works, and this is personally my first bridge. I've done a lot of cool things with the city of Georgetown, and I'm ecstatic about this.
Yeah.
Public hearings for both the City of Georgetown proposed budget and tax rate for fiscal year 2022 will be held at 6 p.m. Tuesday, September 14th. For details about the budget, go to finance.georgetown.org. Watch budget and tax rate hearings at gtv.georgetown.org or on Suddenlink Channel 10. September is here. Visit our city website and social media pages to hear about upcoming events such as the Downtown Sidewalk Labor Day Sale and Poptoberfest, which is October 1st through the 3rd. We'd like to thank you for watching What's Up Georgetown and look forward to continuing to bring you city news in the new year.